All right, what is up, YouTube? It's Mr. Zuni back out with another video, and let's get straight into it. So we've been doing a good amount of trading lately, just because the markets have been kind of, what you say, kind of not dead, but we're just ranging. We're literally just ranging in this little area that we've been having, and give or take $70,000 would be the mark if we that's going to be our support. And if we do not hold, we're probably going to enter into the last little valley of trading volatility. So hopefully, it's like last year during our sideways cycle, after we did a major pump from the 20,000s, 15,000s down here. We pumped up and we had a little bit of a sideways correction like normal, and then we had our downturn. And then we finally moved up. But even here, if you see back September, October, the whole July, sell in May, go away type thing. When we were here, we had a little bit of volatility. Not until September. I remember the fires back then over in LA and whatnot. But after that, we popped up, we moved all the way up, and we didn't do a straight line, but we gradually moved up, came back down, gradually came up, moved back down. And I believe this was like 100 and some days. Let's see, February to September. So 7 months, give or take. All right, am I counting that right? Give or take 6 months, from around there. That's what we had, just sideways action. And if we mark it from here, November till March, and that's only 4 months. November, December, January, February, March. 5 months. And then if we have another 7 months, we may go out until April, May area. Well, we're probably going to keep trading sideways, and then finally pump up for maybe June, July, September, November. Maybe we end in November, September, November, when people kind of predicting. Could be a case. It could be something where we actually do end up trending up. We had this major downturn, just like we had here. We had a major downturn, but then we got faked out, and we had another downturn here, which was slightly lower. As you can see, boom, boom, 3. If we have 3, maybe this is our first one, this is our second one, and this will be a third one down here, and then we finally go up. But we don't know exactly what's going to happen. We have a lot of news with the Bitcoin reserve, and Trump's going to be talking about what's going to happen with the whole reserve. Sorry, I got away from my mic. So that's a possibility of buy the rumor, sell the news. So we could end up falling. So my traders, get your shorts ready. Maybe we move up around the 70,000. Or 97,000, or even the 100,000, and then from there we move back down. Because if we don't break the resistance here, give or take, we may have a resistance of about maybe 104, 105,000. I haven't even charted the resistance or anything yet. Maybe we have a resistance here, or even down there, 104. Let's call 104, 103. If we can't hold above it, or if we don't go past it, not like these wicks up here, not the scam wicks. If we can't hold it, then we're probably going to come back down. But right now, we're literally in the middle range of the channel, right? We're in the middle range. We're having a lot of, influencers. Well, we're having a lot of influencers talking about what's going to happen. We don't know if they do tell you. Eventually, I do know we're going to have the 4-year cycle, I think. Well, that's my opinion. We've been holding strong all cycle long, respecting different points of the structures. And we just have to hold above it. So if you want to set your longs here, that's what I'm probably going to do. Have a decent set of longs that I'm comfortable holding till the short, or holding maybe some scam wicks down. Because if we come down here, let's see, we did have scam wicks. From here we scam wick down to 49,000. We didn't have that big of a scam wick here. Probably went down to 52, and then from there we finally moved up. But we've had scam wicks here, guys. These are the big scam wicks here. We've had a big scam wick from here. So if you held a long, you thought you got in this low at, I don't know, 80,000 or so. You got, if you had high leverage, you got liquidated, and that's what happened Monday, Sunday time. That's when where the big liquidations were, right? So yeah, we're in this channel. Nothing too concerning. We're just in the middle. So we either go up or we go down. And the market's going to decide. The market's going to tell us what we're going to do. If you're a big whale, guys, let me know if you're going to pump it or you're going to dump it. That way I can get a plan accordingly. But yeah, so that's basically where we're at, guys. I love my crypto bubbles. I love doing these. Obviously, in the hour, we're going down. SWE, we had a couple. We closed out our longs yesterday at about $3 or so. It just seems like we were just not going to hold. So far, we have not held. We haven't got down lower. I kind of don't want to be holding just right now. I mean, I can always get back in. And don't get married to your trades, honestly. So that's what I'm trying to do. Made some profits. I bought lows of the 230, 250s even. I had one where I bought in. I think I bought here, and then I literally sold at not the top, but I sold around $3 too. Just $3 was a range I felt comfortable selling, getting my profits out, and then holding. And then I bought back in down here, holding my longs, and then I sold again at $3. So that's been my plan with SWE. I have my bag. I'm not selling my bag. I'm just loading up my bag, if you say, or kind of thing. Usually I've been trading memes, but I literally got rid of all my SWE memes at the top of the $5, $4 around here. Early this year, I just got rid of them, sold them all for profits and stuff, and got out. And it's been dead since. Like, no meme coins really. Everybody's shilling a bunch of meme coins on SWE. SWE meme coin season didn't really happen much. It was back in September, October. It was when we were making like 50, 60, 70 X's on like degenerate memes. And then it kind of slowed down as we got to the tippity top. I think that helped, throw the meme coin money back into the SWE token, and we pumped up. And then we had the RSI. If you're looking at the RSI, overbought a lot. And then we finally corrected. So if you're looking at SWE and Solana, we're literally in a downtrend. We're literally going down. We have been going down for the last, beginning of the year, since January. These were our key structures that we were holding. Not key structures I was kind of looking at from here, trading and whatnot. And then now we just broke it, and now we're hitting a downtrend, and now we're just going down. Now we're at 278 or 276, sorry. And I'm looking to possibly get more scalping back in here. If we're following this trend does not look good for SWE, but it doesn't look good for a lot of the tokens. Like only BTC was pretty good. Solana has lost a lot of key structures. It's been just going down. Radium has been hit. I mean, everything has been just going down since January. So it is what it is. This is what's happening with the markets. Bitcoin is holding on, is holding strong, and is doing great. Bitcoin dominance is still all-time high. And we're just literally just waiting for Bitcoin, waiting for the manipulation and the market to decide where we're going. Let me see, which one do I use? Nope, Bitcoin dominance. Why is it not doing that? BTCD. Where's my Bitcoin dominance at? Either way, I'm not sure why. I'm not going to worry about it. But yeah, Bitcoin dominance is still at all-time highs, around the 60% or so, 60, 70% range. So yeah, we are still high. We're waiting for that. Guys, when you see the Bitcoin dominance go down, that doesn't mean Bitcoin price is going to go down necessarily. Most of the time, it continues going up. It's just that the majority of the altcoins are gaining traction on the Bitcoin, and some people are converting Bitcoin into those altcoins, but you still have people buying Bitcoin. Bitcoin price is going to go up. So once we break that channel, maybe we have another channel of 100 to, I don't know, 30,000 maybe here range, and then we range up a little bit, and then we keep going up into the bull. I don't know when we're gonna go. I really don't care where Bitcoin goes. It's just once we see Bitcoin break this channel and go into the fourth stage of the bull run, that's when we're gonna have the altcoin seasons up here when Bitcoin is near its all-time high again, right? Yeah. So basically, I don't want to make it too long, but yeah, that's what I'm looking at as far as trading and just the numbers. Everything looks pretty bad. I mean, but with oversold, guys, when it's oversold like this, see how we broke the channel here, and now we've entered into a different channel, the channel here range. This has been the channel since February to October, and is when we spiked up above. That's what Bitcoin doesn't want to do, because if Bitcoin comes back in here, altcoins can. I mean, it is what it is. We've been charting Solana since we've been buying it. I mean, I didn't really need to chart it down here. It's just the lows of $25 or highs of $25 and lows of what would we be? Probably around here, $16. And we were ranging from then. Boom, 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 boom. And I remember seeing like a bunch of tweets. Oh, it's back down to like 17. I remember here June time. I definitely bought more in here when I saw my thing just going off, because obviously Sal and May kind of thing go away. People were very like, oh, Solana's dead. It's still dead. It's just having a recovery. And then bam, and we had all the way up to, $200. Yeah. So now we're ranging here, guys. Now this is where I'm getting my longs in. I'm literally buying longs in here. I have one long in at 127, 128 range. Sold it up there, and now we're gonna try to hopefully we get another range. But as you can see, these three dots, we're kind of moving up slowly but surely. We are moving up. If you go to the hour chart, probably see a little bit better. Consistently from these lows, we are going up. Money is flowing into Solana. Now, I don't know where Solana can go. Well, I do know where Solana can go. To the moon. Just kidding. Where Solana can go from back to all-time highs, obviously, is going to go, but it's going to take some time. So what is that? I don't know. If we March, like we've been talking about Bitcoin, March time. Oh, where's the end of the year? Is this the end of the 2025 year? Can't go any further. So if we chart it out, it could go until the end of the Sal and May go away type deal. So yeah, just if you look at the higher time frames, we're literally doing what we're supposed to do. We're just trending down and hopefully pumping back up. But if we go over to NFT, I want to show you guys some NFTs. Pretty cool. I'm getting in on eventually. There's Tallies. This one's actually, I'm waiting for this to dip. It was at like 100 SWI. But I'm very excited. It's just so exciting to be in the markets, guys. Like, where can you get, these like massive pumps and dumps, 50% on a trade, close it out real quick, 100% on a trade, close it out real quick, just put it in stables and then buy back lower. Like, this is the time to be alive, guys. Oh, my computer's freezing. Everyone's so scared. Yeah, it is scary to see your beloved coins go down to, where they shouldn't be. But it is what it is. This is what crypto is. High volatility, meaning you get high returns. Okay, so SWI has just, it is what it is, guys. The week was worse. Some of these coins, HBAR is doing great. Pulse Chain, good job, guys. Like Pulse Chain bags are going sideways, but it's trending up. ADA. We still have our bags in ADA. Shout out to Nakamoto, big ADA fan over there. And yeah, we just Snek. Check out Snek. He's very big on Snek, and that's a great meme coin. Thank you for letting me know about that one. And we bought it around the same time, pretty much. Meme coins are it's just gonna go crazy in the next half of the bull cycle, last part. And yeah, HBARs, I'm happy about my three big bags have always been Solana, SWI, and HBAR. Sprinkled in with ADA. I still had my reservations for ADA. I figured it would be a last minute last part of the cycle pump. I don't know. I was thinking it would follow XRP, but XRP pumped up, and then all three of these bags pumped up too. Even H bar, I figured that would be not a last minute runner, but a late stage runner, not like Solana. Like it was early front runner. It just pumped up so much. SWE took a minute. SWE was like mediums. It took a medium range, I guess, and then H bar literally just pumped up the last part of this year, and then a little bit last year. But last year was literally just a pump up, and then we just like exited our position. Like we went up like really high to I think like 16, 17 cents, maybe even 20 cents. Maybe 25, and then we just like literally corrected. It was probably like something like this. We just corrected, boom. It was like a couple days, but now H bar is finally picking up trend. So still heavy on those. We have some Pulse Chain. Very excited to buy more eventually. ADA, we have our bag secured. Not a lot, but my play was for my H bar was my play for XRP and ADA. Is like an XRP kind of hybrid, which turned out to be very, very good because we were buying in all throughout. It even came back down to our levels, but this was all of 2023, 2022. We were literally buying, me, Nakamoto, and some other guys were just buying H bar. H bar is probably my heaviest position just because I was buying more of it because it was so low compared to Solana and SWE. Because SWE was still high and Solana was, trending from 25 to 16. It wasn't like how we were buying it below $10 and whatnot. So I wish I would have bought a little bit more, like bought an equal share of all, but I was focused on the lower, what hasn't pumped yet because I knew H bar would. And I still think H bar should get to $1, maybe $2, hopefully $3, but we'll see what happens. And that's what's gonna happen in the market, guys. So hopefully you guys liked the video. I hope I didn't ramble too long, but haven't made a video in quite some time, so I'm gonna make another one probably tomorrow. I'm probably gonna do some live streaming just to see what the market's going and just kind of hang out. But yeah, guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.